Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What's up, people? And next stop, Mapit ka. Pag-asawa na, pasagdan na. Mapit ka pa. Whoa, wow. Alright, people. Oh yes, we're preparing for the birthday of my beautiful girl, Ella. And today, ako ipakita kung unsa ba kamahal ang magpa-celebrate of birthday karon. We're just targeting mga 50 visitors or 50 guests, maybe. 50 lang, mga kauban lang ako, ana. Tapos, magician, food, uban pa. Let's see. Pila ba yung magasto sa usa ka simple nga birthday party?
Hello. Yung kabiyanin sa dilata. Wow! Ano to na? Abot sa puso. Ella! There's more pa, more pa. Wicked! Wicked! Okay, I'm moving.
Ow! So whose birthday today? Hey, so whose birthday today?
Is
this your birthday?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe? Today is 30, June 30.
That's an old version of Little Boy.
So it's your birthday.
You were watching it earlier?
What's your question?
It's a surprise.
What? What is it?
Mikey. It's a surprise.
Secret. Surprise pan. You will go to the room. You will go back to the room, and you'll be surprised.
Yes, Anna. You have to.
Hello, people. This is the day na nabot na ang birthday ni Ella. Si Mami stress. Stress ka, Mami, no? Siyang gasto. No? You're stressed? So, pila gid ay gasto sa magpa-birthday? Alright. In this vlog, let's see. Oh yeah, people. Bernie B. Now there is a J Bazaar. Look at my kids. Ay. And my other fatty kid there. Dili pa siya gutom, ana. Mommy sitting. Okay. So bago namin nag-celebrate sa birthday ni Ella. And ang target na mo nga bisita to pila? Ha? 100 visitors. So nangita mi yung venue. So first na mo gituan ang Lux Hotel. So di gyud mi ka-afford. Wish lang na mo. First, actually to be honest, first time ni nga mag-birthday nga hotel akong mag-birthday naman ko kang Rusty, no? Itong Loretos din. So, ito? River to? Oh. So, si Ella, yung first birthday sa Balay Rana. So, first time ni nga si Ella mag-hotel o birthday. So, nangita may mga hotel, medyo mahal yun, no? So, dari at bang sa mo ang Centro Hotel. So, syempre, yung mga gunahuna, ang gibot na to, kasi itong gibot yung ba nagkuha taog laing catering outside. So, pila ra ka food atong gikuhan?
20 ano.
So, good for 20 lang. Oh, bright ako, Mrs. So, ang gibot ni Mrs. Bali 20 ra ka tao. So, nagkuha siya outside nga catering nga barato-barato. So, moto nakuha na to si Mami, si Ate, Mami Totik. Amo catering. Good for 80 people. So, at least na yung mga 5 kasudan. So, 9,000. 9,000. Then of course, ang photographer. Amigo na ako, usa sa mga kulba kayo nga photographer sa Cagayan de Oro, si Arman Ansaldo. Ang iyang usual rate yun sa city is 7,000. 7,000. Sa kwan na pang birthday na 7,000. But on-site lang na siya. Pero ito kay amigo, mga Corpus Christian, magkita ko niya 50% discount. Ah, perfect. Thank you, Arman. Then of course, dili pwede ang children's birthday kung walay magician. Usa gyapon sa mga kulba, si ka-champion sa mga contest, Dexter the Magician.
Guys, are you ready? Here's Alright music by So Clap Your Hands, guys.
Ang iyag yung usual rate, mga 4,000. Pero kay amigo gyapon may naka-discount ko 50% again. Love it. Ang akong host, dili ko pwede mag-host. Kay stage father ko diri. So ang akong host, walay lain. Ang pilingera ng bayan, Maria Pilingera.
Actually do, ako siya tawagon karon. If na ay Queen Elsa sa Frozen, we have here tonight our birthday celebrant, Queen Ella! And together, let's sing Happy Birthday! 1, 2, 3!
Usual rate ni Maria Pilingera, mga 6,000. Di ba? Mga 3 to 4 hours, 6,000. Pero nakatipid yapon ko. Gilibre ko niya. Thank you, Maria. Don't worry, ma-renew pa ka o another pang year sa imong pagka-DJ. Dessert day, tama, dessert cake and dessert 5,800. Dili na discounted. Mon Cardenas. Ikaw rin ang wala matag og kuan discount. Plus, kabatchmate pa man sa high school. Wala kang utang na loob.
So may I request, pinaghandaan, Kuya Rusty John for the opening prayer.
May we request everyone to rise for our opening prayer. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Dear Lord, thank you for this day that we are celebrating my sister Ella's birthday. We hope that she will enjoy another year of fun and excitement. Thank you for guiding Ella always, and thank you for giving Ella to this world. Thank also to our family and friends in guiding her to the person she is now. Hope Ella will be healthy, pretty, and a smart girl. Please keep her away from the bad boys. Amen.
Good day, everyone. I'm so glad that you guys came here to celebrate my little sister's birthday. She's my favorite sister. I need to say it because my dad said so. Ella's 5th birthday. I hope you guys will enjoy it because my mommy spent so much to this party. And I'm so jealous. Thank you.
Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.